Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and my dear viewers. Today we are going to discuss another topic of organic chemistry, that is classification of organic compounds. As you know that today there are more than 7 million organic compounds which have been discovered so far. अब इतने ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स को याद रखना और इनको गो थ्रू करना बड़ा मुश्किल काम है. देयरफॉर वी हैव फर्दर क्लासिफाइड ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स इनटू डिफरेंट क्लासेस. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल डिस्क्राइब द समरी ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. Organic compounds are classified into two main classes. Number one, open chain or acyclic or aliphatic organic compounds, and number second class is closed chain or cyclic organic compounds. Now open chain organic compounds are further classified into two main further classes: straight chain organic compounds and branched chain organic compounds. The closed chain or cyclic organic compounds are further classified into two classes, that is homocyclic or carbocyclic organic compounds and heterocyclic organic compounds. This heterocyclic organic compounds is not further classified here in your course FSC, but homocyclic or carbocyclic organic compound is further divided into two classes: alicyclic organic compounds and aromatic organic compounds. Now aromatic organic compounds are those compounds which contain benzene ring, are further classified into two groups: polycyclic aromatic organic compounds and monocyclic aromatic organic compounds. Now the polycyclic aromatic organic compound is further divided into fused chain polycyclic aromatic organic compound and isolated polycyclic aromatic organic compounds. Now my dear students, we will discuss all these the types of the classification one by one with the help of examples. Open chain or acyclic aliphatic organic compounds. This is the type of compounds which contain open chain of carbon atoms. It contains open chain of carbon atom as the name indicate. Open chain hydrocarbon organic compound is further divided into two classes: straight chain organic compounds and branch chain organic compounds. Now we will discuss first straight chain organic compound. In straight chain organic compound, this is the straight chain organic compound. In straight chain, each carbon atom is directly attached with one carbon atom or with two carbon atoms. Attached with one carbon atom or with more than two carbon atoms, with one carbon atom or two carbon atom. For example, you may see this carbon is attached with one carbon, but this central carbon is attached with this carbon and this carbon. In this type, each carbon atom is attached with one or two carbon atoms. It cannot attach more than two carbon atoms. For example, take this carbon atom. This carbon is attached with two carbon atoms. This carbon atom is again attached with two carbon atoms. This is three carbon atom chain. It is known as N-propane. N means straight, normal, and this chain consists of 5 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. it is called N-pentane. It's very simple and easy one. And number 2 is branched chain organic compound. Branch chain organic compound, it is in this chain one carbon atom may attach directly with more than 2 carbon atoms. अब इसमें 2 से ज्यादा कार्बन के साथ एक अकेला कार्बन अटैच नहीं होता, लेकिन इसके अंदर एक कार्बन 2 से ज्यादा कार्बन एटम के साथ अटैच हो सकता है. First of all, I will give you example. This is the central carbon atom. This central carbon atom is attached with 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms. And this carbon atom is attached with 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Again, this carbon atom is attached with 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So, in branch chain, one carbon atom may be attached directly with more than 2 carbon atoms. For example, this is isobutane, it has 4 carbon atom. It has 5 carbon atom, it is isopentane. And this is neopentane. Neopentane. We will discuss the classification in next chapter of hydrocarbons in detail. What is iso, what is neo, and what is N-pentane, N-butane, etc. Dear students, now we will discuss closed chain or cyclic organic compound in detail. What are closed chain or cyclic organic compounds? Those organic compounds which contain closed chain or rings of atoms are known as cyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds are further divided into 2 classes: homocyclic or carbocyclic organic compounds, and number 2 is heterocyclic organic compounds. Now, number 1 is homocyclic or carbocyclic organic compound. Those organic compounds which contain closed chain of carbon atoms only. Those organic compounds which contain closed chain of carbon atoms only are known as homocyclic or carbocyclic organic compounds. Now, the homocyclic organic compound is further classified into 2 classes: alicyclic organic compounds and aromatic organic compounds. Now, number 1, alicyclic organic compounds, those compounds in which homocyclic, in which 3 or more carbon atoms are attached in the form of ring are called alicyclic compounds. Those homocyclic organic compounds in which 3 or more carbon atoms are attached in the form of ring are called alicyclic compounds. Their general formula is CnH2n. CnH2n, and their properties are similar to aliphatic or open chain organic compounds. For example, cyclopropane 1, 2, 3, it is a closed chain in the form of ring. It is 4 carbon atom. Cyclobutane, this is 6 carbon atom chain. This is cyclohexane. My dear viewers, the second class of homocyclic organic compound is aromatic organic compounds. Those organic compounds in which contain at least 1 benzene ring. What is benzene ring? What is benzene ring? Benzene ring is a ring of 6 carbon atoms in which 3 double bond and 3 single bonds are present at alternate positions, and it is planar. This is the benzene structure of benzene. This is single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, and the valency of carbon is 4. We are satisfied the valency, each carbon atom has 4 valency. My dear viewers, my dear students, aromatic organic compound is further classified into 2 classes. Number 1, monocyclic aromatic organic compound, and number 2 is polycyclic aromatic organic compounds. First of all, we will discuss monocyclic aromatic organic compounds. Those aromatic organic compounds which contain only one benzene ring in their structures are called monocyclic aromatic organic compounds. For example, phenol. When OH group is attached with benzene, it is known as phenol. When CH3 group is attached on benzene, it is called toluene. When Ni2 group is attached on benzene ring, it is called aniline. When NO2 group is attached on benzene ring, it is called nitrobenzene. And now second type is polycyclic aromatic organic compounds. Those organic compounds which contain these, as the name indicate, poly means many. It contains more than one benzene ring in their structures, and polycyclic aromatic organic compound contain more than one benzene ring in their structures. It has 2 classes. It is further divided, further classified into 2 classes. Number 1, isolated polycyclic organic compounds. Number 2, part B, number 2 is fused polycyclic aromatic organic compound. First of all, we will discuss isolated polycyclic aromatic organic compound. They contain more than one benzene ring, but their carbon atom is not attached with each other. You may see, it is one benzene ring, it is another benzene ring. It is not attached with each other, and it is called diphenyl. Both are connected with carbon and carbon bond here, but it is not connected with each other. They don't share the electron with each other. They don't share the double bond between 2 carbon atoms. And it is when Ci2 group is attached between 2 benzene ring, it is called diphenyl methane. This Ci2 is methane. This diphenyl methane. And now the second type of polycyclic aromatic organic compound is fused polycyclic aromatic organic compound. Those organic compounds in which 2 or more benzene rings are attached having common carbon-carbon bond. They have, in which 2 benzene rings are attached with each other in this way. It is one benzene ring, it is another benzene ring, it is attached with each other, and they share the carbon-carbon bond with each other. For example, you may see, it is one benzene ring, it is another benzene ring. Both benzene ring will have common carbon-carbon bond. It is called naphthalene. When 1, 2 and 3 benzene ring are attached with each other, it is called anthracene. It is called anthracene. Fused polycyclic aromatic organic compounds can also be defined as if 2 or more than 2 rings are connected with each other, that their carbon atoms are shared with each other. Such type of compounds are known as fused polycyclic aromatic organic compounds. And now heterocyclic organic compound is our next and last subtopic. Heterocyclic organic compound is a is a class of closed chain or cyclic organic compound. Those cyclic organic compounds which contain other than carbon atoms as a part of the ring. For example, if nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen as a part of the ring of, and these atoms are known as heteroatoms. These are, if instead of carbon atom, instead of carbon containing structure, if sulfur, nitrogen and oxygen is also attached in the ring of carbon atom, then that kind of compound is called heterocyclic organic compound, and the atoms which are attached such as nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen are known as heteroatoms. For examples of heterocyclic organic compounds are, if nitrogen is attached in the benzene ring instead of carbon and hydrogen, it is called pyridine. If nitrogen and hydrogen both are attached in the ring, it is called pyrrole. If oxygen is attached in this structure, this is called furan. If sulfur is attached here, it is called thiophene. These are the 4 examples of heterocyclic organic compounds. Now my dear students, I will tell you the questions. Number 1, we will discuss the short questions. Number 1, which are related to this topic. Number 1, differentiate between alicyclic and aromatic organic compounds. Number 2, what are called heterocyclic organic compounds? Number 3, what are called alicyclic organic compounds? Number 4, what are called aromatic organic compounds? These are the short questions, and now there is only a one long question, is that write a detailed note on classification of organic compounds with their examples. Thank you very much, my dear students, my viewers, for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.